Hello, this is Jacob with C3 Restoration Services. Thank you for watching today. Today I'm just going to do a quick review on why I use Makita Powertools, also Cordless as well, and just kind of tell you what I think about them. These are my most commonly used tools: impact drill, regular drill, and the Sawzall. So let's get into it. So let's start off with the charger. Very simple indicators. Dots around the circle means that it's blinking. And what I like about this, there's actually a song when the battery is fully charged. This port, very quick connection. You can do this one-handed, very easy. Boom, so it starts charging. There's also a fan inside this. That's why it's a little bit larger, but it cools down the heating system, and it actually makes it charge quicker, I believe. Snaps in down. These batteries, this kind of, I think the largest battery they make, the 18-volt lithium, 5 amps. This is very convenient. Battery indicator right there on the front of it. You can push it, has a little LED lights. 4 bars is full. How charged up you are. This is a little bit bigger than I like it to be, but other than that, it works great. Let's move on to the brushless impact drill. First off, the way this fits in your hand is incredibly comfortable. I like to run usually a smaller battery on this just because the battery feels a little bit heavy, and when you're doing a lot of stuff over your head or down below or getting into tight spaces, the battery does kind of restrict you a little bit. Right here you have 3 different power settings. You can adjust those based on how much torque you need. Basically, if you want it softer or harder, more torque. There's also this really great bright LED light on it. Super helpful, when you're underneath cabinets or in a dark spot. And also you can turn that off if you hold this button. Boom. When I hit it, the light stays off. I usually keep it on. Helps a little bit. Quick release right here. You can also do that one hand. Very nice. Another thing I'd like to mention, I've had this drill for almost 2 years now, and I do water damage and mold remediation, and we work in a lot of very high dust areas, high humidity areas, to where dust and moisture is getting sucked into this motor, and I've had no problems, loss of power or anything like that. Also, the battery lasts a tremendously long time, especially when you're using this 5 amp. Maybe I have to charge these once a week. This drill, I've had for about 6-7 years, and also no problems with this as well. Extremely high powered, no loss in the looseness of this wheel. Light still works great. Whole bunch of different power settings you can find on most drills. This is phase 1 and 2. 16 different power settings. A drill setting, I've gone through concrete with this, gone through tile with this. Very strong. I just like to show this one off just because it is a little bit older and it's still looking great. I actually had a matching impact as well, but there's actually a break here in the plastic, but no loss in performance. It just the glue didn't stay together. But yeah, I've had this drill for about 6 years, and it does heavy use and still strong as a horse. Another tool that we use very heavily is a Sawzall. What attracted me to this Sawzall particularly is kind of its compact design. Fits easy in carrying cases, like my toolbox over here. In tight spaces, it's very short yet very powerful. Put your 2 hands on it right here. What I like about it most is this quick release feature it has. You literally just twist this, insert a new blade, let go, and snapped on tight. No chuck needed. It's also very comfortable, rubberized. It's pretty quiet as well too. But yeah, we use this very heavily and it's very strong. We rely on this a lot, and it has not done us wrong. When picking out the right power tool company for you, there's lots of different options. You have on the lower end like your Ryobis and your Porter cables, and your DeWalt's, and then somewhere in the middle you got Makitas, and then you got like your Milwaukee's and Bosch's, real high-end stuff. Makita falls somewhere right in the middle of price and performance. But it really comes down to, after you buy a battery, you know, these 18-volt lithium batteries, these are about $100. You kind of seal to that brand, because once you have a battery and a charger, you're more inclined to just buy more products from that same brand. So I like Makita. They have over 275 different options. You know, they got stuff for your lawn. They have stuff like chainsaws, lawnmowers. I'm looking into a cordless backpack vacuum. They have the most variety, and I think they're coming up with the most equipment in general. So I really like that, because I have about 4 of these batteries. So whatever tools I want to add to my collection in the future, you know, I will have the batteries for them. Thank you for taking the time to watch this today. I hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions, you know, please feel free to DM us, you know, comment on this video. Once again, we're with C3 Restorations. We do water damage, mold remediation, smoke damage in the LA County and Ventura County in California, and we'd be happy to help. Thank you.